Hey, Marc and Mandy. I'm here to give you some tips on thinking about doing a kitchen renovation or remodel. The biggest thing you should always consider is obviously the budget. Make sure you know how much you're comfortable in spending, then probably add about 20% to that amount because there will be some hidden things that you didn't anticipate, so it's always helpful to plan ahead for that. I always tell my clients, really think about how you want to use your space. Some people like an open concept. Some people prefer to have a space that has walls. Think about also what you would like in your kitchen. For instance, would you like to have, a pull-out garbage bin, or would you like to have a spice rack? There are so many things you can consider, and you need to decide that before you go ahead because you want to sort of build that into your budget. And then you can move forward with either hiring a designer or a kitchen designer to help you put the kitchen together and make it as beautiful and as seamless as possible. But once you hire that person, they're going to ask you pretty much right away, are you going to be looking for new appliances? You just need to give your designer those specs so they can build it into the design of the kitchen. You're going to have to think about what materials you want to use, what colors you want to use in your kitchen. You're going to have to decide how many drawers do you want, how many doors do you want. From there's so many other little details you need to consider, and you want them all to flow. So I guess what I'm really trying to say is plan, and then you'll be very happy in the end. Thanks, Marc and Mandy. I hope my suggestions work for all of you.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.